Welcome back to the MeasureSquare multifamily tutorials. This video will walk you through how to lay out the products and estimate your rooms for this unit. In addition, we will also cover how to duplicate the units by layer. Let's now go over how we add seams, adjust the cut sheet, and also change the layout direction of our rooms. To change the layout direction, locate the Layout Direction tool at the top of your screen. Once the tool is selected, you can hover over the room's wall and will be able to click the change direction of the product. Notice the arrows indicating what direction you will be selecting. You can also click in the room and drag your mouse over to create an arrow and click again. This process will be used if you have a product going at an angle or not a simple vertical or horizontal flow. To add seams, locate the T-seam at the top bar. There is also a drop-down menu that includes some other seam options such as the Even T-seam. Once your tool is selected, you can hover over your room and your new seam will appear for you to left-click and place in the desired location. Next, we will cover unit duplication for multifamily projects and estimating by tab. For multifamily projects, it is often a requirement to have numerous units of the same type estimated. To speed up the process, MeasureSquare 8 allows you to duplicate the unit tab while providing consolidated waste numbers for just that unit type. To begin, right-click on the unit type and select the Set Duplication option. Type in the desired total of units and click OK. When the software is done re-estimating, we can see the cut sheet for the carpet has been modified with the correct amount of new units. We can also do the same steps for a hardwood unit to get the appropriate number of units and also the appropriate hardwood quantities as well. The next step we're going to show you will be the Estimate by Tab feature, so the quantities will be tied to the specific unit tab that we're viewing. To do this, click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the estimating gear and select the Estimate By and then select the Tab option. Click Yes on the pop-up confirming that the row layout will be modified. Once it is finished estimating, we can see the appropriate breakdown of the quantities for each unit view tab. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and tutorials for all MeasureSquare products.